सत श्री अकाल। सूरत महला पहला। जिस जल निध कारण तुम जग आए, सो अमृत गुर पाही जियो। The reason for which you have come to earth, the nectar, the fountain that you seek by taking this incarnation, that fountain, that nectar is nothing but the Lord. And that nectar and the fountain that you seek is nothing but in the Lord. छोड़ो वेस भेक चतुराई, दुबिधा एह फल नाही जियो. Let go of your different masks, your antics, your corruption, your cleverness, your doubt. This is not the fruit that you are after, and this will not take you to the fruit that you want to go to. मन रे थिर रहे, मत कत जाहि जियो. Dear mind, please remain steady and stay on this path. Don't falter and don't get confused in the temptation and vices that come around you. बाहर ढूंढत बहुत दुख पावे, घर अमृत घट माही जियो. You seek that fulfillment and that nectar, that fountain all around you. You do all kind of tips and tricks trying to look for it, but the only thing you find is sorrow and unhappiness, because ghar amrit ghat mahi jiyo, because that amrit that you seek is really within you. It is within your heart. Change, happiness begins within. Rahao. Avgun chhod guna kaho dhavo, kar avgun pachutahi jiyo. Let go of these vices and temptations. Once you walk on the path of virtues, once you seek on and take on the path of righteousness, then you will find that path. Because remember, kar avgun pachutahi jiyo. When you do give in to temptation and you walk on that path of vices, there's only regret and repentance in that path. सर अब सर की सार न जाने, फिर कीच पछुताई जियो. Sorry, फिर कीच बुढ़ाही जियो. सर अब सर, you don't know the difference between the good and the bad. कि सार न जाने, you don't know the difference and you don't know how to discriminate it. Again and again, you are pulled where बुढ़ाही जियो. You are pulled to that mud and that slander of temptation. अंतर में लोभ बहु झूठे, बाहर नावे काहि जियो. Within you there is that filth of corruption, of greed and falsity and temptation and vices. But outside, bahar navo kahi jiyo. You have a bath every day and pretend to be clean. Why are you doing that? Nirmal naam japo sad gurmukh, antar ki gat tahi jiyo. If you take the pure name of the Lord, Nirmal naam japo sad gurmukh, and if you do that forever and always, remember, He knows everything that is within you. O antaryami hai, o bhale bure di पीर पहचाने. He knows everything, right? ओ घट घट के पत पत की गत पहचाने. He knows everything. अंतर की गत ताही जियो. He knows the secret of your heart and what's inside you. पर हर लोभ निंदा कूड़ त्यागो, सच गुर बचनी फल पाही जियो. If you are able to renounce this mountain and of corruption, greed, complaining each other, falsity and gossip, then such gur bachni fal pahi jiyo. Remember, only when you empty your cup, are you able to fill it again? And if your mind and heart and soul is filled with rubbish, how can anything else enter? Once you renounce it, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਿਆਗੋ, only then ਸੱਚ ਗੁਰ ਬਚਨੀ ਫਲ ਪਾਹੀ ਦਿਓ. Then the Guru's sache bachan, the shabd, the remedy, the strength, the nectar, the fountain, you will receive all those fruits only when you empty your cup and make way for this positivity to enter your life. ज्यो भावे त्यो राखे हर जियो, जन नानक सबद सलाही जियो. But despite all of this, dear Lord, I know and I accept that however you choose to keep, you keep me. I will accept it and I seek and ask nothing else. Jo bhave tyo rakhe. However you choose to keep me, whatever you choose to give me, I accept with humility, my dear Lord. But only thing I ask is, Jan Nanak Sabat Salahi Jiyo. Just give me the discipline and give me your true name, that I am able to meditate it, chant it, and that's the only thing that I need. And within your name, I will find the path of success, peace and fulfillment. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.